Want to create a transition puzzle like this? Let's dive into the discussion and how to create it. We're going to create a freeze frame at the beginning of the clip, then we'll overlay it, positioning it to the first section of the clip this way. You can set the duration according to your needs for creating the puzzle transition. Then we choose the cutout setting, customize it, and use the brush tool. My plan here is to create a 3-piece puzzle. Now let's use the brush tool to create the first puzzle piece. Alright, it's done. Then we'll copy this clip and position it right under the first overlay. Just like before, we're also going to remove the background from the second clip using the cutout tool. Let's reset it first, then you can draw the second puzzle pattern. Once that's done, we'll repeat the process for the third puzzle piece. The more neatly you apply the brush tool, the more neat and nice the resulting puzzle will be. Once everything is done, we'll apply a keyframe at the end of our overlay clip. Then we'll move forward a few seconds. Now, you can decide from where you want the puzzle pieces to appear. For example, this one is coming out from the top right corner, and we'll shift it a bit. The second one is coming out from the top left corner. As for the third one, let's say I want it to emerge from the bottom. Okay, after that, the puzzle transition is complete. All you have to do is repeat the process for transition in the following clips. Now, to add a shaking effect, add this video. Add the desired effects according to the number of puzzle pieces you have. Don't forget to select each overlay as the object, like this. Once you have done that, you'll be able to create a result like this.